When an array holds value or elements, those values are separated by commas. Here is an array that holds two strings, okay, separated with a comma. Change rows, which is this one, declaration to be an array with the strings Naomi, Quincy, and Campers. Bro is an anime file. Anyways, so we are to put here a Naomi and a Quincy and then a Camperchan. Now take note that we have separated this string values with a comma. So which is essentially we have a three elements, which is Naomi, Quincy, and Camperchan. The order of values in an array is important, so follow that order. Remember that strings are case sensitive. Whoa, case sensitive. Okay. Okay, that's good. Anyways, we are good. So nice.